we found this little corner restaurant. It's yeah, it's pretty cool because all the people in here kind of speak similar to me, real similar. So this is not a touristy area for sure. This is more of local. It's called Sam Sen Road, I believe. I think that's how it's pronounced, but it's a Sam Sen Road, but I think it's called Sam Sen Road. I don't know. Maybe that's what it's called, but they got restaurants out here. Thailand is a food heaven for sure. So this is what it's like in there. So this is how they're cooking inside the restaurant. Yeah, it's pretty interesting because they're all young too. Right, not that young people can't cook, but she's working the cashier. He said, "Let's go." See, he said, "Let's go." Yeah, this is a really nice little chill restaurant. And they got did they? That was they bought that from a different. I think from the restaurant over the side. Now this is very interesting. ชื่อตลาดชื่อร้าน
ร้านข้าวต้มเชี่ยวชาญพาณิชย์จ้ะ
You heard her? I don't know how to say it. Okay, what put your sign?
ร้านข้าวต้มเชี่ยวชาญพาณิชย์จ้ะ
Okay, that's what it is.
ลองคุยกัน
ว่าบ่ได้ So we eating this. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video here, eat, and see what's going on. So that's the name of it. I can't really read Thai, but if Thai people is watching it, yeah, you can see that's the name of it. Thank you. And this is what we order. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut and attach the videos because I'm doing it in clips. So they are so funny. Alright, I'll eat and I'll talk to you guys everybody else later. Yeah, I just got done eating. I'm in the corner of Sam Sen Road. It's pretty it's very like quiet. Even like on like after work hours. Well, this is a little bit later than that, but yeah, I met some people inside there. They are pretty funny. Like a lot of people here in Thailand are really super friendly. They're always joking around, playing around. And when I start speaking Laos or Isan language to them, they start cracking up because most of the people they think I'm Chinese or Japanese here, but this is the restaurant. This is the restaurant that I'm eating at, that I ate at. Yeah. Look, bang. ฮะใครโอ้ตัวนั้นกับแมนคือวันเดียวกันอ๋อโอเคเข้าวิดีโอบุเป็นอย่างที่เข้า YouTube โอเคเข้าใจ So she just got done telling me that section is the same is part of the restaurant here. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the video short here and I'll see you guys in the next clip.